Hi, welcome back to the Crafty Author. We are going to be doing some iron-on onto some aprons, and I'm going to show you how we do that as soon as I can get all the sticky stuff off. It's just sticky stuff from the roll that I'm trying to pick off here. It's just not working with me today. Okay. So now what we're going to do is, with Cricut iron-on, you want to put it face down, and then you're going to mirror the image in Design Space. So I'm going to go ahead and put this red down because we're going to be doing red on white. I like to use my brayer for this. You can use your scraper, but I just find that this brayer works so much better to flatten things down on the mat. And I found some more sticky stuff. Oh my goodness. This is not good. Okay. Now we're good to go. So for this project, you'll need a Cricut Maker, or a Cricut machine, a Cricut Explore Air 2 or a Cricut Explorer. You're going to need Design Space because you're going to have to use that to cut your image. You'll need an Easy Press. I'm still working with the original Easy Press. I do not have the Easy Press 2 yet. I have a heat mat, and you're going to need a weeding tool. You're going to need a green mat. And you're probably going to need scissors to cut your vinyl when you're finished. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And I've already prepped our image, so I'm going to go ahead and tell it that it can cut. And then I'm going to mirror it for iron-on, just right there with that little button. I'm going to click continue. We're going to choose our material that we're using. We're going to do iron-on. So I'm just going to type in, come on. We're just doing iron-on, nothing fancy. Okay. And now we're ready to put it into the machine. Okay, so our image is cut. Now I'm just going to pull this off of the mat. And I'm going to just cut below it so there's not all this excess. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to weed this. And when I'm finished with that, I will show you what it looks like, and then we will iron the item on. Okay, we're back. So this is what it looks like now that it's been weeded. Never mind all my fingerprints. That will not show up on the the image. So we're going to be placing this right about here on the apron. I'm going to go ahead and heat the apron up first. I'm just going to give it a good press before I put this down. Okay, and I'm going to stick it back down and make sure that I'm straight.
Go up a little higher.
There.
Yeah, typically you want about 4 fingers, 3 to 4 fingers to the top.
How about that?
Yep.
Okay. And I'm just going to set this down over the carrier sheet. You can put parchment paper down if you want. I normally do that, but I'm not going to do it for this one. I'm just going to go on here and put my easy press on. It's set at 305, just as the instructions say. And I'm going to hold this here for 30 seconds. And I'm going to just put a little bit of pressure on here just so it'll stay down. Okay, it's done. I'm going to just let this cool for a second because it's pretty hot, but I can see looks like it's sticking pretty good. And then I'm going to just peel it. Voila! There it is. So very easy, fun to do. So I need to make 3 more of these. So I will take a picture at the end and show you what they all look like. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this project. Again, I am the Crafty author, and I will of course put all the links down for the Cricut stuff that I used today. And you can always follow me on Facebook at the Crafty Author. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and also on my website, craftyauthor.com. Thank you.